We divide 409 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 409 divided by 5 is 81.8. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.